it can be solved, remaining not much as such. So 2 5s are and 2 what 8s are 16, and multiply these two, it becomes minus 15 in the numerator upon 1024 in the denominator. That is the required answer. Next is solve. There are 4 sub questions to this, and almost everyone all are easier. So let's start. 6 raised to minus 1 plus 3 upon 2, the whole 3 upon 2 raised to minus 1, the whole raised to minus 1 means 6 and this 3 upon 2 whole raised to minus 1. Okay, so it's easy now. Just reverse them, means bring into denominator, and this reverse this ratio. So it becomes 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. Why 2 upon 3? Because 3 upon 2 reversed, it becomes 2 upon 3 raised to 1, and the whole raised to minus 1, right? Then next, now it's simple cross multiplication. 3 plus 12, 15 upon 18, the whole raised to minus 1 equals to, now again reverse them, 18 upon 15 raised to 1. So to watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.